Hey, yo, what's up? My name is Joe. Back with another video. This is basically just going to talk about a bash script that I created to help me in creating more scripts. Um, like when it comes to coding, I'm all about shortcuts and trying to figure out something that's going to save me time. So this was something that I came up with. So basically how it works, right? SC is an alias for script creator, which is a script that I have. So if I give it like just let's just say for instance I give it any name, tester scripter, whatever that means, and let's just say let's say print, not print, echo I am tester scripter. What's up? So now, if I actually run that, oops, it's running the script. So, I mean, a lot of people have these that just create the scripts. So I did some other stuff too. So I say, if you give me a path, basically, if you give me any kind of sequence of characters with this, then I'm assuming that you are giving me a full path. So what I would do is go in and say, just to give it a test, scripts for fun. And then I'll name this script fun script. Okay. So what's happening here? I don't have that folder. So what is asking me if does it exist? Well, not asking me. It's telling me it does not exist. And then it's asking me if I want to create it. So what I'm going to do is say no for now. And if I look here, because I am in that directory, there is no scripts for fun folder just yet. But if I do it again, and this time say yes, it's been created. And then it has a creation, there's the date. You see it's in this folder, scripts for fun script. Let's get out of that. File list. You can see there's the folder right here. And there's a script. And also I actually make it executable. So, which you already seen that I could execute it, but if you just want to look at this, it is executable. Okay, and this also does some tests for me. So let's say for instance, let's just get back to where you were. And let's say, actually, let me do something. So let's say I want to run this again, right? File name already exists. It's not going to create it. Let's say I want to create a script and I want to call it man, which is like, you can't use man because that's like what you use to look up the man pages. So let's just say I did that. Command man already exists, so it didn't create it. Let's say I want to. This is all the different tests that it does for me, so I know I can't create it. So let's say I want to. Give it. Can't remember all the tests I actually did. Let me just pull up the code, because now I can't remember. Alright, so here I'm testing the file name. Lets me know like if I think it's a path or not. Then I'm getting the base name and I'm getting the directory name. I need to get them split because I want to know should I try to create the directory or not. So I set my full path as a directory and file name, and now I have those split apart so I can use them later. Here I'm saying you must define editor. That's how it's knowing to open up Vim, because I have editor set as my Vim. If not, editor must be set. So if you were to use this, you need to set your editor. You can set it in your like profile. If you want, it's all on GitHub. I'll have it on my GitHub. I'll put the link in the video. Script name is just going to be the name that you want to give it. If you don't give it one, oh yeah, this one I didn't show. If you don't give it one, basically telling you it's required, so you can't even do anything. And I'm exiting one just to represent an error. We already saw that one file name already exists. We also saw command name already exists, and we saw the directory being created. It'll create the directory for you, or it'll abort, and it gives your creation date here. This is how the initial file gets built. If by some chance it gets here and there's an error, I just exit one to represent an error. If it gets past that, I make the file executable, and here I just use whatever editor you supplied and open that file. So that's pretty much it. Check it out on GitHub. Let me know what you think, and if you're liking these videos, subscribe. I got some more coming. Peace.